Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 17th of December and last day of the streams for the year. So today should be really special for us, right? So because now the live streams will be resuming after around 10, 20, 20, 22, 22, 23 days. So we have holidays for 23 days and so over here, this was a really extremely easy and nice trade, which I really missed out. We had extremely good clean range to the left, and I have already marked this area since yesterday. So just hold on. Hello. Okay. Sorry. So yesterday I marked out this area over here, and I was expecting that if a candle will be closing below 151.132, I'm gonna take a sell on the next candle. And today, like around 3:30 Indian time, this 15-minute candle closed like a bearish candle, and next candle went up and broke the low of the previous one. So this could be a really nice entry over here, but obviously nothing comes so easy. So what happened was my system just got stuck, and it was just stuck at the please wait screen, and I missed out this trade, and I was really pissed off. And but on the other hand, it's all right, it's part of the game. So I'm gonna find another good opportunity like this only, because this was something I was really I can really rely on, and this it was a really extremely powerful setup, I would say, because market went up from the POI yesterday, and it went all the way up, like there was news, but still. So, and it went down again on the POI, and it started to reject that area. But finally, there was a candle closing below the POI, and this POI just got invalid. So I'm gonna remove everything from the graph, and let's just reanalyze everything. Why my mouse is not working? What the fuck is going on? What the? There is some serious issue going with my PC. Why it's happening? Okay, finally. Yeah, so it's working now. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything from here as well. So look here, EuroCAD yesterday took the trade over here on this blue line, and it went, like I closed everything over here and 14 15 16 pips, but it went up in 64 pips. Damn, that was a great trade over there. So let's just quickly analyze GBP. I'm gonna go to monthly. I think too many services are on over here, that's why it's getting slow. Okay, so monthly was moving up, but now it's moving down, right? So yesterday it tabbed the that area. Just hold on, I'm gonna show everybody. Okay, so it tapped this area over here, and now I think now it will be tapping this area again. So it will be coming down, I think, and if it will be coming down, then the monthly will be rejecting the higher prices. Okay, so monthly is now coming down, creating a rejection area on the higher prices. So now if we talk about weekly, so the current week's candle went all the way up, broke the high of the previous week, broke the high of the previous to previous week, and it finally tapped this area over here, and then it just rejected, right? So we can say that if we say that this area is a POI over here, okay, if this area is a POI, then look, the market went all the way up, rejected and respected the POI over here, and now it's coming all the way down. That means I can say that the market can possibly reject more and move down. So that means bias will be sells, right? And today is last day of the week, so today anything can happen. And also if we talk about now daily, so daily, what daily time frame is doing is that today's candle went all the way up, filled little bit the previous yesterday's candle's wick, and now it's coming down, broke the low of the previous one. Now it's coming down. So where can be the possible targets? Over here. Yeah, so possible targets can be at 150.493, which is around, let me just check, 30 pips away, but there will be problem now. Okay, so now the 4-hour candle, let's just talk about the 4-hour structure. So market went up from this area, created a resistance over here, created another one over here. Now it's coming down, but before creating a resistance there was a support over here, right? So now this candle closed at the support, this candle broke all the lows over here, and now continue moving down, and this candle has already crossed below this area. Let me just, okay, so now the current 4-hour candle has now crossed below 150.913, which is this you can say support area from the left, and now we have clean candle to cover up, right? Clean candle. Now I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour looks really good, and also 1 hour is about to close in 2 minutes. That's really nice. I think we will be getting another opportunity really soon over here. But before I take a trade, I need more confirmations. I need some more confirmations. So one thing I know is this was initiation. Okay, I'm gonna just wait. So 30 minutes, perfect. So now this can be a POI because this was the initiation, and now mitigation is going into process. So I'll mark this area as a POI for GBP JPY. Okay, so this will be my POI. That means market can easily fall down to this area. And if I look at the 15 minutes over here, 15 minute, if this 15-minute candle closes bullish and the next 15-minute candle create a higher wick and then break this low over here, at that point I'm gonna take a sell trade. Yeah, the range is extremely good, so yes, but 1 minute left. Let's hope that this candle closes bullish. I'm gonna mark the area from the left. Let's go to 30 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. What's POI in price action? POI is you can say point of interest, or I personally say point of injection of money. It's just that you can use it as an area of interest. Okay, so this candle came down and about to close over here, so I need more information. This should be the area. Yeah. This should be the area over here, and now there is some problem. I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. I'm gonna mark the areas in 30 minutes. Yeah, now it looks nice. So now I can say that if the 30-minute candle will be breaking the low, it can possibly move down to this level. The range is also good. Momentum is also there, and it should be going towards the POI as well. Yeah, so I think GBP should be moving down, because the thing is, let me just go to this area. Yeah, the thing is, the market, the previous candle, I can say, has already closed under this area, right? So I think it can possibly move down, because the market is currently in a selling pressure right now. Also, it will be going to tap this area. Yeah, yeah, now market can possibly move down over here. It came under the trend line as well. Okay, so my target, oh, it's coming down, guys, it's coming down. Yeah, it can possibly move down towards this area over here. So that's why I'm just waiting for this candle to break the low of the previous one, and with volume it will be moving all the way down, I think. Stops will be 6 pips. So right now in EuroCAD there's nothing much. I really think it will be moving down. Let's see, 5 minutes. Candle came down, created a resistance, it went up, created a support, and this candle is respecting the high of the previous one. 1 minute left, so in the last 1 minute it can go down, break this price and push all the way down, and the next candle can wake up and then move down. I believe in the last 1 minute this candle can break this price over here. trend is really good trend, strong sells. 44 seconds remaining. I just hope that it doesn't break the price now. Come on, man, just don't break the price now. Okay, this is 5 minutes. Oh, okay, no problem. Also, there is another easy form of POI. You can say that POIs are like supplies and demands. So now demand zone will be coming up. Okay, so this candle just closed like this. Hmm. Okay, so this candle close over here. If this candle breaks the low and these lows, their chances of going down is high. Let's see. There is another thing over here. If in case market starts to go up for retracement, then this will be the POI. That means there are chances that if market starts to reject, or sorry, if market starts to retrace back, then it can go up to this level again. Let's see. That will give us another chance of taking the trade. This will be the POI. The thing is, we have consolidation happened on the left, right? So the chances of consolidation over here is also high. But the thing is, the way the market is moving down, I really think that this whole move will be corrected over here. Like, it can easily come down to this level. But for that, it needs to break this price, obviously. Let's look at the EuroCAD. Weekly. Okay, so the weekly candle has broke the high of the previous one, and now this I think for me it's just kind of some kind of a retracement over here, bit in the own candle over here, right? So now it can move up again. That's what I think. GBP is moving up now, which is nice. It hasn't broke the low, so it's nice. So just hold on. Okay. So I think it can go up from here again. So I'm gonna go to the daily. Daily looks like so the today's candle has broke the high, respected the low, and it really looks bullish to me. But the thing is, it has approached towards the daily zone from the left, and now the market can possibly reject this area to move down to this level over here. Yeah, that can be the case. So we need to be very, very careful. Because look here, market went up, tested this area once, rejected, tested again, this candle went all the way up, rejected again, it went up, rejection is there. So this thing is exactly similar to the previous thing happened, right? So after this thing, there was a huge downfall in EuroCAD. That also means the chances of going down is now increased again. Because why? The daily area has reached to the previous daily area, and the weekly, only in the weekly I can say that weekly might push up. So if that's the case, but the weekly, we don't know whether today's candle will be moving up or from the next week. We really don't know. So we need to be looking at the more higher confirmations, and I think it will start to move down from here. Yeah. And if we talk about sells, I think good sells will be below this area. 31 pips. There is a range of 31 pips. If you look at 45 minutes, 45 minute is having some problems. Oh, nice. 70 pips range is there in 45 minute as well. And this is 30 minutes. Let's check. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Below this area, we can reach to this level, 14 pips. Okay. It's about to break the price. Took a sell trade over here. Keeping stops above the candle's high. In the last 3 minutes, it can really push down. Trade is running in 2 pips of profit right now. 2.5. Now it's exiting this area from the left. So with volume, it should be moving all the way down from here. Last 2 minutes remaining over here. 5-minute candle is pushing the price down. This candle made a rejection, tested these highs. This candle broke the low, broke these lows as well. That means pressure of selling is there in the market. That's true. So with volume, it should be going down. Last 1 minute remaining. I think in the last 1 minute it will be making its move to the downside. What if it breaks the low of the 15 minutes? Will you enter buy? What will you enter buy? High. Okay. No, buddy, there's no buys over here. Look at the market. It's huge sells, not buy. Okay, it's pushing the price down. It should be moving down now. Come on. What do we have on the left in the 5 minutes? In the 5 minutes, we have this area. Consolidation already happened. Okay. So 15-minute candle just ended up over here, and the 5-minute also. So this 5-minute should move down if it breaks the low of the previous one. Okay, it just broke the price. Running in 4.4 pips over here, 5 pips. 5 pips touched. Let's see if it can break further down. So now if it goes to break even, I'm gonna close half to manage the risk, because I'm not expecting the market to move up now, because 15-minute candle has already broke the low, and the 5-minute as well has already broke the low of the previous one, and there should be a good downfall from here, because if this is a POI, then there should be a good initiation going on, like, because we have clean ranges to the left. So I think it should be falling down. Let me just check the 30 minutes. Yeah, 30-minute has broke these lows as well. If there should be volume, then there should be volume now in 30 minutes. What the fuck? Volume just died over here. Oh, it's moving up. Come on, buddy. Actually, 1 hour can really drop down. 1 hour, I really like the way 1 hour is printing right now. Extremely good. If it starts to move down, then this will be the point, trust me. This will be the point it will be heading towards to. But for that, it really need to have some heavy volume which can push the price all the way down. But right now, price is just stuck over here. I just hope that we have a great push now. Come on. Because I have to close half if it gets to break even to manage the risk. It's really weird to see now the volume suddenly dying. Last 10 seconds remaining for the 5 minute. Let's hope that this candle will be staying strong in the last few seconds. Come on, man, just push down. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, so the candle just ended up over here. Closed half over here to manage the risk, because it just got back to break even. Now I'm running with half lot over here. This is 15 minutes. I really think 15 minutes should flip down and break its own low. Still got 9 minutes left over here. Yeah, I really do believe it should move down. Because there's no POI over here. Clean range is there, POI is over here. Yeah, it should drop down. Let's hope that this candle will be breaking this low, because if that happens, then this will become a resistance and price should be moving all the way down with no problem. And that will be downfall of 1 hour candle as well. Yeah, 30-minute candle, it really looks like it will be moving all the way down from here. .30-minute candle will be closing in 8 minutes. Let's see how 30-minute is printing. Oh, I really think this 30-minute candle might just go up and close above this area. But I really don't want that to happen. So I need to be very, very careful. 45 minutes looks good, like it's just having 7 minutes left. Last 7 minutes remaining. Because to avoid this consolidation, market has to go down with volume. Otherwise, it will be stuck between this consolidation. And by looking at the 4-hour, where is 4-hour? Yeah. And by looking at the 4-hour, it really looks like that this candle will be moving all the way down to this level, which is 27 pips away. I really hope that the candles will be moving down from here. 1 minute remaining for this candle to close. Let's see how this candle closes. I have closed everything over here. I just closed everything. Last 26 seconds remaining, and there's no signs of going down from here. So just close everything at break even. Let me just show you, because there's no point of waiting, because candles are really looking weak. Look, so this was the trade. Closed first part at break even, closed second part also at break even. Because the thing is, the way 30-minute candle sorry, the way 30-minute candle is rejecting this area, and if I look at the left, then I can really sense this consolidation coming up, because now 30-minute is just having 4 minutes left to close, just having 4 minutes. So in those 4 minutes, market can possibly move up and close above this area, and if that will not be the case, then that will be really good if we have a closing of a candle below this area. Yeah, because if this 15-minute candle closes above, then this will become a fake out. This will become a fake out, and the market will be moving all the way up from here, but there is no range to take the trade, so I'm not gonna trade this area. If 15-minute candle closed bullish, I close my entire position. Okay, Bunny, I have already closed the position, but you make sure that you do not lose anything in this trade, because I have seen many times GBP JPY does this thing. Whenever there's a consolidation on the left, most of the times it really acts like the same like the consolidation on the left, and the same thing is happening over here. It went all the way down, but rejection, the same rejections happened over here. So I will be not surprised if market will be making some moves like this and then fall down. But that totally depends upon how this candle will be closing. EuroCAD is pushing the price down. Okay, let's just check. EuroCAD. This range is just 13 pips. I think I'm gonna sell below this area. Oh. So I'm gonna definitely sell below this area in EuroCAD, because we are having range till this area, and this range is about 20 pips. And if I look at other cases, then I can see this range only. Oh, and this range is pretty good. This range is 17 pips. Yes, we can trade this range as well. So this range I'm gonna trade for sells, and this range I'm gonna trade for sells. Also, we have clean range over here, so let's just check that area as well. 13 pips. The range is only 13 pips. Okay, let's just check the high time frames. Four-hour candle taking support from the trend line, moving all the way down. Okay, let's just check. GBP closed like extremely weak candle over here. Oh, I'm really glad that I closed everything at break even. So now this becomes a fake out, and if I look at the 1 hour, 45 minute close like a doji. 1 hour is flipping all the way up. Let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so if I talk about 5 minutes over here, then let me just go to the left. Perfect. So if we get a 5-minute candle closing above this area, then the market can easily go up to this area over here, which is 13.5 pips, and that will be, you know, the reversal from here, and then it will be moving down. It will be moving down, but before that, now it can move up to this area to test this area, grab some liquidity, and then it will be moving down. And if we talk about liquidity, then this is a POI of 5 minutes. Market can easily move up to this level, and then it will be reversing back. So POI is also giving me some confirmations, so I'm gonna buy above 150.859 if it goes up. Like, I need a 5-minute candle to close above this area, so I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes. Okay, 15-minute candle close over here. It just broke the low of the previous one. 30 minutes. Actually, just broke the low in the first few seconds. Let me just look at the 5 minutes. Market came down from this level. I need a 5-minute confirmation at least to take sells. We have this clean candle to cover up in EuroCAD. Double top has been made. Now if the candle starts to move down, this will be the area it will be reaching towards. Also, this is a POI in the 5 minutes, so market can easily come down to this level. Oh, look here, market is moving up. Let's hope that this candle closes above this area so that I can trade the next candle. If not, then it will be moving up in a single push. And over here I need a bullish candle to form, and then a candle to break this low to continue moving down. Sorry. Yeah, so need to wait for 1 more minute. I'm just entered Euro AUD sell. Okay, Bunny, if you can send me your chart, then I can share it with everybody else. $50 seconds remaining. Oh, GBP just broke all the highs. Now there is no range. I cannot trade this setup because there is no range. I know the market will be moving up to this level, but it will be risky. Now I'm just gonna focus on EuroCAD. So there's no use of this setup, no use of this POI. So over here in EuroCAD, 5-minute candle close bullish. Now if the current 5-minute candle breaks this low over here, I'm gonna take a sell trade, because I think it should be moving down. 15 minutes, good sales are coming, market can move down. Over here as well, over here the market is just consolidating. 4 hour is, yes, 4 hour is sells. 1 hour, now the price is just consolidating over here. And what I think is, if it starts to move down, then this will be the area. Yeah, it will be coming towards this area. Yeah, the range is still there. Yeah, I think 4 hour candle will be moving down to this level. If I look at the daily, daily, weekly looks bullish. Daily looks, so this for 5-minute candle closed over here, but with a huge wick. So now if the current 5-minute candle will be breaking the high, it will be moving up to this level, that's for sure. But the thing is, there's no range, so it might just go a little bit up and then reverse back because of no range. Also, if we talk about buy scenario in EuroCAD, let's just talk about that also. So above this area, oh, there's a wick to fill. Okay, so above this area the market can go up to this level first, and then this level will be reached. Market is moving up with volume. So those who are coming new to the streams, we have our Discord channel over here, and which is free for everybody. Like yesterday I took 2 trades, so I send out these trades which I took on the streams or after the streams, and I send those analysis on Discord. Also, the members who are there on Discord, they also send their daily chart analysis, the trades they took, and then I comment on each and everybody's analysis and everything. Like if there is a mistake on in somebody's analysis or chart, then I correct that thing. Also, if you have some other information regarding forex or something like that, then those analysis or charts you can share over here on the Discord channel. It's absolutely free. It's absolutely free. So if anybody is interested, like I have created this channel just to share the knowledge with everybody, and for free education as well. Also, if anybody is interested in joining the Discord channel, they can just join us, and I'm gonna drop the link. Create invite. I'm gonna drop the link over here. So you can join through the link. Oh, what the fuck? GBP is moving down from here. So if it breaks this price over here, then the range will be, this will be 10 pips, and it will be then reaching to this level, 19 pips. The range is pretty good. Then that means I need to shift this area over here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, GJ is moving down, buddy. GJ is moving down. So I'm gonna sell GBPJPY once the price breaks below 150.745. EuroCAD is also moving down. 15 minute is having just 3 minutes left to close. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and if the next 15-minute candle goes up, creates a higher wick, and then break this low over here, at that point I'm gonna take a sell trade. Yeah, just 2 minutes left for 15-minute to close. What's happening over here? Market went up, broke down, closed below, fake out. This candle should be tapping this low or move up from here. That will throw this price away and help GBP to reach this area. Need to wait for 2 more minutes. EuroCAD moving down. GBP 5 minutes has just flipped up. Oops. Let's hope that this candle doesn't break the price in the last 1 minute. And it looks like. Sorry. So I'm gonna wait for 1 minute, even though in the last 1 minute this candle just go all the way down. Last 20 seconds remaining over here. 10 seconds. $30 looks good. Like it looks like that it will be moving down from here, I think. 45-minute also created resistance. Looks like it will be moving down to this level. 1 hour candle, not much information is available. 4 hour looks like it will be breaking its own low and moving down to fill this wick. So okay, so over here, if this 15-minute candle, like now it has testing the wick over here, right? So now if this candle breaks this low over here, the possibility of moving down in one single big candle will be really high. The only reason is then this will become the POI over here of EuroCAD. We know that POI is always created before there is a big move happening. Okay, so now if this will be becoming a POI, then there should be a big move coming up that will give us our 10 pips. The range is actually, oh, the range is just 11 pips. Need to be very, very careful. Overall is 14 pips. GBP is moving down from here. 30-minute candle. So 1 hour candle is having just 12 minutes left. And I think here we go. GBP should be moving all the way down from here. I've took a sell trade from this point. My trade is running in 3 pips. Stops have been kept above the current candle's high. This will be 10 pips. Now this candle should be moving all the way down to this level. That will be giving me my 10 pips. 150.802. 150.802. Not 802 actually. 157.46. This is the exact area I took sell at. Come on, 5 minute candle, just go all the way down. Because now again the volume is coming inside GBP. So this is POI. There's impulse move. Impulse move should be bigger. I think it will be dropping down. But obviously if it goes against me, then I need to manage the risk over here. So last 2 minutes remaining. Let's really hope that this 5 minute candle will be dropping all the way down from here. It just have to break this low. That's it. Once this low will be broken, it will be moving all the way down. Last 40 seconds remaining for the current 5 minute candle to close. Come on, man, just move all the way down in this 30 seconds. That will give me some confirmations. Last 10 seconds. Oh, candle just closed under the previous candle. Okay, now what? Minute, 5 minute is having 30 minute, also having 4 minutes left. 45 minute, 19 minutes left. Look, I really think 45-minute candle will be stretching down. Just closed half of the trade over here in 3 pips to manage the risk, because this 5-minute candle broke the previous candle's high. Need to cut my losses short. I just hope that this will reverse back and continue moving down. Oh no. I really don't like the way 1 hour is rejecting these prices, but this wick has gone all the way down. Last 1 minute remaining. So 5-minute candle is flipping down. Let's see if this candle can break this low of the previous candle. Because if this candle will break the low of the previous one, that means this will be a liquidity grab. And there is a potential chance that this 5-minute candle will be stretching all the way down from here. It doesn't break the low. Last 40 seconds remaining, and 1 hour will be also closing. Now only 45-minute candle is having some chances. 15-minute. Let's see how this candle will be closing. Last 10 seconds. closed in the half over here. So this 15-minute candle closed, it just closed below. Minute. I really think that this 1 hour candle should be dropping all the way down like 22 pips from the current level. Okay, at this point I have closed everything. Closed everything at this point. Now changing my idea over here a little bit. This is EuroCAD. And I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle confirmation. So look over here, the previous 1 hour candle closed like a small body candle and with a wick rejection to the downside, right? So what if the current 1 hour candle breaks this low, where the market can possibly go towards? So I think the market will be moving towards to this area, at least according to 1 hour. So there's 1 hour left for NY Open. Let's check if there is any news. There's no news today. EuroCAD previous candle closed bullish. Let's just check. 4 hour still looks bearish. GBP, JPY, now again trying to push down. Previous candle closed with a huge rejection. Took 2 trades so far, and one closed at break even and the second one closed in negative 3.5 pips. Okay, EuroCAD moving up. I don't know why. GBP trying to move down. I think this 30-minute candle should close like a weak bullish, and then the next candle should break this low, which will form a resistance, and the candle should be reversing, moving all the way down. That will also be the push down for the next 1 hour candle. But still got 19 minutes. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna look for the 5-minute chart over here. I want to see what's happening over 5 minutes. So market went down, again went up. There was a POI over here. Market tested this area. Now there should be continuation. Oh, if there should be continuation, because this is clearly a POI. And market tested that POI, rejection is there. Now coming down. Yes, there should be continuation after this. Let's see. At least there should be no candle closing outside POI. It should remain below this area or under this area to move down. Otherwise, it can move up. And there should be a drop coming up. 23 pips down drop. EuroCAD is just struggling at this point. $15 is about to close in 2 minutes. And just 1 minute left for the current 5-minute candle to close. So the 15-minute candle closed into that area. The previous one breaking the low. I think if the price will be breaking 150.700 or 710, then it should be continue moving down. Yeah, I really think it will take the price all the way down from here, because this will be the continuation from 5 minutes, and the 1 hour will be, continue moving down according to the 1 hour time frame as well. Also, the previous 1 hour candle closed below the bodies from the left, 1 hour consolidation. So yeah. Oh, EuroCAD moved up. Coming down again. I seriously think this 4 hour should be moving all the way down from here. All the time frames in GBP, JPY is extremely bullish. All the time frames. Sorry, not bullish, bearish. So my trade is running in 3 pips right now. Took the trade over here. Keeping stops at high of this candle and TP all the way down over here at 10 pips. So running in 4.6, 5 pips touched over here. Seven pips tapped at this point. 1 hour candle should be moving all the way down from here. Shifting my stops above these wicks at 150.743. It should be tapping this area now. Yeah, 1 hour should be dropping down from here with volume. It will be dropping to this level. Let's see. But obviously, on the other hand, as the risk management is concerned, I'm gonna close half if it goes back to break even. So last 5 seconds remaining. Okay, so the candle has just closed over here. 30-minute candle closed, 5-minute candle closed, 15-minute closed. I'm gonna check the 45-minute. 45-minute is having 29 minutes left. It looks like it should move down to this level at least. So this is GBP JPY 30 minutes. Look, the previous candle, 30-minute candle, closed below this wick, right? So the current candle should remain down and it should be reversing back from here, break the low and continue moving down with volume. Because the way the previous candles printed, there's huge volume in GBP JPY and it should be rise all the way down from here. Also, we are pointing towards the 1 hour candle POC or POI, which is over here. So I think with volume it should be dropping down all the way down. It's just that 15-minute has to break the low of the previous one. So once the 15-minute candle breaks the low of the previous one, there should be another drop. Okay, 9.3 pips are coming up over here. 10 pips tapped. Congratulations everybody who just made some profit in this trade. I'm still waiting for this trade to tap the low. I have closed 50%. Let's see how far it can go. Now I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour to drop more. Because I really think with volume, this 1 hour candle will be dropping under this area. Yes. Running in 14 pips. I'm gonna close everything at 25 pips. My stops are kept at break even. Yeah, 4 hour candle should tap 150.485. 150.485. Fifteen pips is coming up right now. 9 minutes left for the current 15-minute candle to close. You're charting gold too or not? Nope, I don't trade gold. So this is my last trade for today. I'm not gonna trade after this because this is the last trading day for me of the year. I have closed everything at 15 pips. Okay. Closed everything, made some, calling it a day. It should drop further down, but I don't want to take any risk. So this was the trade for today. I'm gonna share the results, how it went. Okay, so look over here. I took first trade over here in GBP JPY, closed everything at break even, and then there's another trade I took, GBP JPY. Okay, closed the trade over here in 3.5 pips, and then this was the last trade I took and made some good profits in this trade. So overall, pretty good day and pretty good profit over here. Last day of the year. I'm not gonna trade after this, so I'm gonna resume the streams from 10th of January. Till then, there will be no streams. Enjoy your days, guys, because now the volume will be dropping in the market and you don't want to be part of that thing. So I'll suggest everybody to just make sure you don't overtrade, you don't over risk, and just enjoy your new year and enjoy your Christmas. So Merry Christmas and Merry Happy New Year in advance, everybody. Also, there's important announcements now. I'm gonna stay on the streams for a little bit more. Let me just close all the charts over here. Let's just talk. No need of magic keys. Alright, so how was your 2021 in term of trading? It was pretty good, Nishal. It was good. There were 1 or 2 months which really wasn't really great, but that month was also break-even month, so it's absolutely fine. So now the important announcements I want to make is, so the Christmas and the New Year is approaching, okay, and I want to give the last offer for this year. Like, this will be a New Year offer and it will be valid till 31st of December. After 31st December, like on 1st of January, the offer will be, there will be no the offer will be ending, and the offer is, there is a discount which will be on the course. So the people who wanted to join the course, but because of some issues or some money issues or something like that, they were unable to join the course. So now they have a chance. Let me just show you. Okay, so the course was offered at this price, $300, okay, which was costing around 22,800, around 800. Okay, now I'm gonna offer this course in $200. There's a discount of $100 going on the course now. So $300 course you will be getting in $200. Okay, and also I want to announce one more important thing. The one thing is that the offer will be going on to the course for the new year, and the second thing is there is a loophole or trick I know about the market, and like, if somebody is just looking for a trick only, like, you will be getting what currency you should choose, how many trades you should take, and what lot size you will be using. Everything I'm gonna tell you, and I can guarantee, guys, nobody will say this word. I can guarantee this. Those who are just new to Forex, who just had just one day in Forex and they just know nothing, they can also make profits with that loophole or trick. Obviously, that trick or loophole is not free, and whenever whenever a person will be subscribing to that thing, I'm gonna drop each and everything on their telegrams. Like, you will be telling me your account size, and I'm gonna tell you this should be the trade, this should be the that trick in that currency or that everything. I will tell you everything, like what should you do and what you should not do. Okay, and it is just it is also it can be also used in news as well, and I'm gonna be showing you proofs of that. So if anybody is interested in that trick loophole, they can send me a message on Discord or Telegram or somewhere around. Okay, so these are the two things which I wanted to share, and hopefully I'm gonna getting the magic keys, like the new magic keys. I'm gonna produce the magic keys myself, manufacture magic keys myself, and I'm working on that. So let's hope that in the new year there will be magic keys launching by Global Trade Live. So these are the some announcements I wanted to make on the last day, and those who are really willing to get success in Forex, they can, and really wanted to become independent trader, they can just join the course. And those who just want to make money, okay, with the course and with that trick, your growth will be doubled. Okay, your growth will get doubled. But if anybody just wants to make short money with that trick, they can also contact me. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with everybody, and now I'm calling it a day. So, and those who just made some profits in this GBP trade, congratulations to them. So take care everybody, have a great day, have a great month, and have a great new year everybody. So now I'm gonna restart the streams from 10th of January. Also, if anybody having any questions or something like that, you can just contact me. You know where I'm available, so you can contact me through Discord, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere. So goodbye everyone, have a great weekend, take care.